Would you date a poor old foreigner or a young Filipino? What message would you like to give, ma'am, to people who would say that, it's only for money, not love? Hi! Welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel, and again, this is Lori. In today's video, we are going to interview Filipinas from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines, and ask them, would Filipinas date a poor old foreigner or a young Filipino? Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. What is your name?
Emerlu.
What?
Emerlu. You can call me M. Just M.
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 Nice to meet you, M. you're so pretty.
But I'm haggard right now because I'm so stressed with all the academic.
Oh, you don't look haggard. You're pretty.
Nah.
Trust me. How old are you?
I'm 22.
22.
Yeah.
What course are you taking?
Elementary education.
Wow,
Yes.
so you're gonna be a teacher.
I hope so.
You will. you will. You will. Would you date a poor old foreigner or a young Filipino?
A young Filipino.
Why a young Filipino?
This is my personal preference. Okay, so it's just that I think we can connect more since. But what I mean of saying young Filipino, the same age as me, or maybe a little bit 2 years older than me, or something like that, because I think we can connect more. We can talk a lot more. Something like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, and also I think because you mentioned earlier that like you emphasize the poor
Uh-huh.
and the foreigner,
Mhm.
like something like that. So I don't think it depends on whether someone or that guy is poor or not, because I don't know. It's just that it's about the feeling.
It's about the feeling. So, how about if it's rich, you don't care, right? Like a rich foreigner, you don't care.
Actually, I still care. I mean, I care.
Mhm.
I mean, poor or rich, it doesn't matter. It
doesn't matter.
Yes, because we can work together.
What is your name po?
Judith Ann po.
Judith. Nice to meet you, Ma'am Judith. How old are you, ma'am?
27 po.
27. Are you working?
Yes po.
What is your job?
Sa DSWD po.
Oh, so you're a government employee. Okay. You're single or you're married, ma'am? Ayun. Yeah. Mom is like, Mom, can I speak Tagalog? Okay. Anyway, you can speak Tagalog. You can understand me, right, ma'am? It's because our viewers are like 99% foreigners that could, they couldn't understand Tagalog. Anyway, come here, ma'am. Are you single or you're married?
And
In a relationship, boyfriend. I see. Would you date a poor old foreigner or young Filipino?
sa akin kasi ma'am dito kasi ma'am sa Pilipinas, kapag may boyfriend kang foreigner, parang ang tingin nila sa yung parang gold digger, parang ganyan.
Sa Canada ka may...
Pero hindi ko po kasi masasabi na kasi ayaw ko na din sa Pinoy.
Oh, I see. So, what mom says is here in the Philippines, if people saw you with an old foreigner, they will think that you're a gold digger. But she doesn't like Filipino. So, she prefer a foreigner, right?
Kasi ang boyfriend ko po Indian.
Oh, because mom's boyfriend is Indian. I see. Okay, so you prefer foreigner.
Yes po.
Yes. So, let's say if you have to choose between a poor old foreigner and a young Filipino, you will choose a poor old foreigner, right? Not because,
Not because hindi para sa pera.
not because of the money.
Hindi para sa hinahanap mo yung pagmamahal talaga.
Because
Parang-
you're looking for love.
Mm-mm.
I see. Okay. Do you think, or do you really think you could love an old man?
Hindi ko po masabi.
You can tell. Okay. How old is your boyfriend?
27.
27, the same as yours, right? Okay. What message would you like to give, ma'am, to people who would say that, it's only for money, not love?
Sana po baguhin na nila yung mga isip nila na hindi porket foreigner yung boyfriend mo ang tingin nila sa gold digger na. Parang gusto mo lang naman ang mga foreigner kasi parang magkaiba talaga sila ng Pinoy. Kapag foreigner ka, yung Yung pure love na binibigay sa'yo ng foreigner, talagang 100% kumpara sa Pinoy.
Okay, so mom says that those people that who are thinking that Filipinos are only with foreigners because of money, they should change their their mindset because these Filipinos are mostly right, mom. Like they're only looking for love, right? And then these foreigners giving love, they're giving them like their 100%.
Parang kapag Pilipino ka na lalaki, ang ikli ng pasensya mo kumpara sa foreigner, ang haba ng pasensya.
Okay. So for mom, if you're a Filipino, they have this very, they're not, their patience is not as good as foreigners, right? Not long patience like that. Okay. What is your name?
Yasmin po.
Yasmin, beautiful name. Nice to meet you. How are you today?
I'm doing good.
You're doing
I feel great.
wow. Okay, I'm happy to hear that. How old are you, Yasmin?
I'm 19, turning 20 next month.
Next month. Okay. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
I'm single.
For how long? How long have you been single?
2 years.
Years.
Yeah.
Okay. You're still studying?
Yep.
What course are you taking?
Civil engineering.
That's impressive. Wow. Engineering. Would you date a poor old foreigner or a young Filipino?
I think a young Filipino because it's the tradition and maybe we will have more compatibility, but I'm up for anything.
Oh.
But as of now, I'm not really looking for something because I'm really focused on my studies.
I see. Okay. Well, thank you so much. I think she's under pressure because her mom is watching. I'm really shy right now. But anyway, thank you. Okay. You did good. What is your name?
I'm Missy Alexandra Ivan.
Missy.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. How are you today?
I'm fine.
You're fine. How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
21. You're still studying?
Yes.
What course are you taking?
I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management at Naga College Foundation.
Naga College. What year are you now in college?
I'm third year.
Third year, so one more year and you will graduate.
Yes.
Advance congratulations. Okay. Anyway, here is the question. Would you date a poor old foreigner or a young Filipino?
I prefer to choose a young Filipino because as of now I have a boyfriend. We're together 6 years and I am proud when we don't have when the time we don't have yet money and now we can afford anything because we are both choosing the path we want to be together.
Thank you so much.